So after 8 consecutive meetings, there is a ½ point cut on the interest rates from the Federal Reserve. They say in light of inflation progress, as well as the balance of risks. Now, the decision was not unanimous. The Board of Governor Michelle Bowman voting against it, saying that she believed a 25 basis point cut is the way they should have gone. Now, the Federal Reserve signaled 2 more rate cuts for this year if they go by 25 basis points. That makes a full % down by the end of 2024. But the dot plot shows the Federal Reserve was 1 vote away from only 1 more rate cut this year. These votes are very close here. And then they're forecasting 4 cuts in 2025 if they go by 25 basis points. Again, 1 vote away from 3 cuts in 2025, 2 rate cuts in 2026, and 0 in 2027. Now, the Federal Reserve members, they see the numbers on unemployment ticking up slightly to 4.4% by the end of this year, holding steady at 4.4% through next year, and then dropping in 2026 to 4.3%. 4.2% in 2027. Now, this Fed sees inflation slightly falling, finishing around the year, the PCE inflation about 2.3%, and continuing to fall to the 2% target by the end of 2026. The core inflation, the one the Federal Reserve Chairman says that he watches, the Fed sees that dropping to 2.6% this year, 2.2% next year, and hitting the 2% target in 2026. Now, in the statement, the Federal Reserve says that economic activity expanded at a solid pace. Now, one change in the language about inflation, saying that inflation gains have slowed. The statement saying that inflation made further progress towards the 2% objective and remains somewhat elevated. Now, Fed members have greater confidence, they say, that inflation is moving substantially to the 2% target, and the risk to achieving employment and inflation goals are roughly in balance. So again, the Federal Reserve seeing GDP at 2% this year through 2027. Charles, 0.5% surprised many people in the room in the lockup, but that is what the Federal Reserve did with 1 dissenter. Michelle Bowman, Board of Governors. Back to you.
Wow. So much news being made here. By the way, I did call it. I'm just saying. Thanks a lot, Edward. We may have to chime in with you a little bit more. There's a lot in that report, folks.